You've seen the pictures, heard the stories, and now it's your turn. It's time for you to get ready to visit Sedona, Arizona, one of the most unique and beautiful places on Earth. Now you just have to figure out where you're going to stay. I'm Christy Evers, your vacation, retreat, and conference specialist. If you'd like help planning a spectacular and seamless trip, contact me for a free quote, whether big or small. My contact info will be in the comments section. But before we get to our first hotel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and jingle that little bell so you don't miss any of my travel tips, reviews, and advice. Today, I'll take you on a tour of Element's 2 Queen Studio, and I'll give you a brief overview of the hotel too. Element Sedona by Westin is an affordable Marriott property that opened recently in February of 2020. So yeah, they're sparkling brand new. They're surrounded by the breathtaking views of Sedona's iconic Red Rock Mountains and are only steps away from shops and restaurants. Come along, let's take a look inside. Take a look at this lobby. I absolutely adore the soothing colors and the modern decor. And although they're a smaller hotel, they have a really nice-sized pantry area. Not only do they offer your usual drinks and snacks, but they also support the community by partnering with local businesses. They also sell locally made products as well, such as books written by local authors and these handmade masks. That way you'll have a chance to pick up some local souvenirs from your stay too. They do offer a complimentary breakfast with a variety of healthful items. This video is being filmed in 2020 during the COVID restrictions, which means you choose your items and they're handed to you with their safety standards in place. I must admit, this is the most impressive COVID-restricted breakfast that I've seen yet. Can't wait to come back and see what they're like when the restrictions are raised and they can operate as usual. Element has a really nice-sized workout room that overlooks a gorgeous patio. This is a great place to hang out. You can grill your own meal, or you can play a game of cornhole, or play a game of giant Jenga. And sometimes they'll offer yoga or other activities here too. And at night you can cozy up by the fire pit. If you need meeting space for a small group, Element has room for that too. The meeting room has a capacity for 12 people, and they have the capability to expand space onto the patio if you need as well. And now, time for the room tour. Lights are activated by keycards as part of their green initiative. They're pet-friendly, and all 2 Queen studios have a full kitchen. What better way than to start your day with coffee and a gorgeous view of the Red Rocks? It is really important to note that the balcony rooms are only available by request. So you can request your balcony when you make your reservation, and you can call about a week in advance to request a balcony as well. It's a first come, first served basis. Of course, if you use a wonderful travel agent like myself, I will make those requests for you. But don't worry, if you don't get a balcony room, you're still going to have a fabulous room. Everything's going to be exactly the same. The biggest difference is instead of a balcony, you will have a full-size sofa that can pull out into a sleeper sofa. And how about that pool view? And I'd also like to mention the pool and the hot tub are both saline as part of their green initiative. As you can see, Element Sedona is an oasis in the desert. Don't let this special gem pass you by. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to book your next vacation, retreat, or conference with Happily Evers After Vacations. Your adventure awaits.